Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of Adobe Photoshop, one of the most powerful and versatile editing tools out there. Whether you're a professional photographer, a graphic designer, or just a casual user, Photoshop has something for everyone. So let's get started with our top features, tips, and tricks to help you master this amazing software. First up, let's talk about the Magic Wand tool. This is a must-have for anyone who wants to make quick and easy selections. With just a few clicks, you can select objects, people, or even complex backgrounds. The Magic Wand tool is perfect for removing unwanted elements from your photos, and it's super easy to use. Next, let's discuss the Pen tool. This is a professional's best friend, allowing you to create complex shapes, paths, and selections with precision. The Pen tool is a bit more challenging to master, but once you do, it's a game changer for your editing workflow. Now, let's talk about the healing brush. This is a lifesaver for removing blemishes, scratches, or other imperfections from your photos. The healing brush is a must-have for any photo editor, and it's surprisingly easy to use. Lastly, let's discuss the Clone Stamp tool. This is another essential tool for any photo editor, allowing you to clone elements from one part of an image to another. The Clone Stamp tool is perfect for removing unwanted objects, fixing perspective issues, or even creating stunning composites. And there you have it, folks. These are just a few of the many amazing features that Adobe Photoshop has to offer. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a beginner, there's always something new to learn and explore in this powerful software. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of Adobe Photoshop. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Until next time, happy editing.